Nagkasagutan sina Senator Raffy Tulfo at Presidential Peace Advisor Senator Carlito Galvez sa Senate hearing kahapon kaugnay sa usapin ng decommissioning ng MILF combatants. Hindi nagkasundo o hindi nagustuhan ni Senator Galvez ang tila pagpapahiwatig ng senador na may korupsyon sa programang ito ng gobyerno. Nag-ugat ang palitan ng mainit na salita ng dalawa nang ma-question ang hindi tugmang bilang ng mga nagbalik loob na MILF sa dami ng armas na nabawi ng pamahalaan.
I could say that, proudly say that there is no corruption in this decommissioning. We are just following the agreement.
Sir,
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you're corrupt. What I'm saying here is meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization.
Take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka na, masaktan ka, I don't care.
Sir, I beg to disagree na pagkakitaan po sa rin decommissioning because I myself really implementing this. I would like to really to...
Then show me proof. Kasi pag nakapakita ka sa akin ng proof, then babawiin ko.
I will show proof, sir,
Sa susunod na hearing.
I will show that we are not corrupt.
Ba't ka nagagalit, Secretary?
Because you are accusing us that our organization is corrupt.
Yes, because napakalaking discrepancy.